Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to overlap the image in Canva on an object. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So doing this is actually pretty simple. So as you can see, I already have an image here that I actually created. So these are multiple photos that actually was layered in some way. So first thing that we need to do here is we first have to understand how adding images is actually treated here on Canva. So when you add an image here, so I'm in uploads here, I have an image that I want to add. Like for example, I want to add this image here. So let's go ahead and add this one. So by default, when you add a new image into your project, by default, it's going to be the first one that you'll be seeing here on your project. But if you add another element into your project here or in Canvas, that's going to be the most object that you'll see at the very front most. But in this case, like for example, if you want to bring an already existing object above that specific object, so what we need to do here is select that specific object or image, right click on it, and you want to go to layer. So layer, think of this as a skin that you are going to organize. Now in this case, the first image here of this guy is going to be the most outer skin, and this icon or picture here is going to be the second layer, and the last one is going to be the last entered layer as well. Now if you want to bring this to forward, what you need to do is select the option that says bring forward. So it's going to bring this up one level. But if you want to add this to the very frontmost, you have to choose the option that says front. Now here we also have the send backward and the send to back. So just to give an example, I'm going to go ahead and send this photo to the very back. So let's go and click on send to back. So in here, when we click on the image itself, again, right click on it, go to layer, and when we click on the option that says bring forward, it's going to basically increase it or bring it one level up. So meaning it's going to be above the image that we have right now. Now again, if you choose the option again that says bring forward, it's going to bring it up again. Now again, I'm going to send this to the very back. So let's go ahead and click on send to back. It's going to be at the very back. Over here, when we click on the layer option and go to bring to front, it's going to be automatically the first layer or the reverse of the most outer layer on this specific object that we have right now. Now in this case, you could go ahead and just organize your images in such way that you want, and that's how you overlap your images in Canva. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.